Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Just Lolo, and today I'm doing part 2 of my honest opinion on Karina Garcia's slime kit. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So last video I made a glow-in-the-dark green slime, right here. And in this video I'm making a clear glue slime and it's going to be blue with blue glitter and stuff, yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so first I need to add the glue. First of all, it looks like water. Can you see that? It's like, yeah, look, that looks straight away like water. And I'm not gonna be using the instructions again, just so you know. So, yeah. Okay, so, also it doesn't have a mixing tool. So, like I said just now, it is very watery. It looks straight up like water. I don't know if this is going to work, but so far it doesn't look like it. So now we are going to make the color tablet. And like I said, it's going to be blue. Let me get the blue tablet. And add the water. This time I'm not going to add as much water. Just going to add about that much. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I'll just wait for that, and while I'm waiting for that, I'll add the glitter. So this glitter is fine blue glitter, and it is super pretty. And it gets everywhere. That's what it looks like. So far, I'm happy with the glitter. I'm happy with the color, the blue color, but I'm not so happy about the glue. So let's see how this turns out. Now that it is almost dissolved, I think it has a nice color, and I'm adding more water. That's going to make it even more watery. Like, what the heck? So this can be a jiggly slime, definitely. So I'm only going to add a little. And you can't really see the blue at all. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer for the blue to set. So yeah, I'll be back when it's finished. So another thing I noticed is that we got 8 ounces of clear glue and 4 ounces of white glue. I don't understand why they give us more clear glue, but I mean, I'm still okay with that. It's not a bad thing. I'm just wondering. So now I think it is all done. So let's add some. Now let's see if it turns blue. It's still not turning blue. So let me see. Is there a color tablet in it still? Yeah, you can kind of see the shadow on camera. So it's almost there. I'm just gonna I'll add some more, but it's not really changing the color at all, so I won't bother using that. So now I'm going to activate it. Remember, in the last video, this activator did not work, so let's see if it does this time. Just gonna add a little bit, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I'll just use my own. Okay, so far, you can kind of see it like that one string glob of slime. It's pretty good, and as you can see in the camera, it is so glittery. I said glittery. I always mistake my words. Glittery. Okay, whatever. So. And it's not working again. And I've added again a good amount. Look it's almost out. Okay, so that was its last straw. It's all out. Okay, I'm going to add my own activator because it was not working and I don't have any more of it. So like I said again, water, borax, I just estimated it about this full of water with about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of borax. Now let's see if this works. Okay, yeah. You can kind of see again that one glob. You can barely see it on camera, and I can barely see it off camera, but it's there. Okay, I can really feel it now, and you can actually see it. I'm just going to keep mixing. Wow, okay, I only added a little bit, and I kept mixing really fast, and it turned into this really cool jiggly slime. But I think it's still sticky, so I'm going to add some more. Okay, now it's not activating. That's a little odd. Why isn't it working? I'll add more glue, maybe? And then, what the heck is happening? Okay, now it's back to that weird jiggly slime. Maybe I'll just have to keep stirring. It is definitely not ready. When you stir super fast, though, it comes together. That is really weird. Okay, I'm gonna add, what should I add? I'll add some Elmer's glue to see if it works. Okay, so I changed my mind about the Elmer's glue, and I found some Tide. So I'm just gonna see if that works. Okay, hopefully this does work, because so far it's really pretty. Okay, I'm only adding a little just in case it ruins it. Okay. Like before, it has that really weird texture. But I can see it forming. So I think Tide is working better than borax. So I'm just gonna keep adding Tide until it makes a slime, and if it doesn't, I'll come back to you. So I ended up adding a lot of Tide, and it did not work out so well. So I'm going to trace my steps, go back to what I said before, and add some Elmer's clear glue. Okay. Now let's see if this works. So far I can already see it coming together, probably because I already added a lot of activator. Hopefully it sucks up all the water and stuff. Okay, so this is like about to overflow. So I'm going to transfer it into a bigger bowl. And now we can get like you can actually see it. Okay, so let's mix this all up. This is much better. Okay. So it's not mixing very well. I can kind of see the Elmer's glue separated from all the other thing, but now it's really mixing. Okay, hope this turns out. I'm just going to keep mixing, and I will probably fast forward this part.
It's so bubbly.
Okay, so it has a ton of bubbles in this one clump of slime. Now I'm going to put the one clump of slime into the bowl, the other bowl. Okay, there's a little bit more still in the bigger bowl. Let me get that. I know this is a lot of work, but I really want this slime to work. So far, it does not work. So clear slime does not work with the Karina Garcia slime kit. But when you add all your things, it can work. So yeah. Now I just have a little bit of bubbles with the slime. And I'm going to go on with my hands. Hopefully, it's probably going to get messy, but yeah. So first of all, I can really feel everything. Like, this is all Elmer's glue, I'm pretty sure. Elmer's glue, glitter, borax, Tide, and a little bit of Karina Garcia's slime activator. That's what this mess is. So her clear slime obviously does not work. You just have to make it your own, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to knead this all together. And yeah, finished kneading it. So let's see how it turned out. Wow, that has some great pokes. It's a little bit over-activated, but that's okay. It was my fault. But, so, third time, I'm sorry I keep saying this, but I just want to state it. Clear glue and her stuff does not work. And you have to use your own. I just kind of made up my own recipe, added whatever I had, and it worked. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and hit that red subscribe button. And if you really enjoy my videos, turn on post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye!